Audio Jungle.
The Audi e-tron GT is the first all-electric car from Audi built in Germany. It drives off the assembly line at the Audi Bollingerhof in Neckarsulm. The small series production facility there, which has net zero carbon emissions, has been expanded and converted for its new task. Small-scale craftsmanship has been supplemented by digital processes and intelligent technologies. Passion meets precision, innovation, and sustainability. The production of the e-tron GT was designed without physical prototypes, a novelty at Audi. Audi went into uncharted terrain with the complex shapes of the all-aluminum body. It took months to get the rear fender right. Aluminum is far more difficult to shape than steel. Unlike on the Audi e-tron, there is no electronic mirror option because the vehicle platform was not designed for it. But the mirrors, placed on the shoulder, look sporty and harmonious just the way they are. Audi says that the electronic mirror will return on other cars. As various car makers have copied the horizontal rear light strip that stretches across the width of the vehicle, Audi has broken it up on both sides with vertical dots. The design is unique and makes the car impossible to confuse with anything else, even at night. The e-tron GT is built alongside the R8 in Bollingerhof, Germany. Production takes place in 36 steps, compared with the 16 necessary for Audi's mid-engine supercar. Don't forget to subscribe, like and leave me a comment to tell me how you found the car.